So probably the second most requested service that we have at Onebridge is to build a data warehouse. These requests come in fairly frequently, and it's very much a tactical ask in some senses. There are many companies that can just go and build you a warehouse, and that's fine. What we try to do is help our customers think more strategically about what they're trying to do with a warehouse. What's the rationale behind it? What's the expected lift and return by building this? Have they considered some more modern twists on this, both from a overall paradigm around things like virtualization and logical data warehousing, to considering concepts like data mesh and curating data products in more of a distributed way, organizationally. So we'd like to have that more strategic conversation. There's clearly an order when going to build a data warehouse as far as your paradigm selection overall, in a very real way. So as an example, if you're going to choose virtualization and logical data warehousing, that changes the math fundamentally on what your cost of ownership might be for something like Snowflake in the cloud. If a substantial amount of your data is being served up in a logical way and not physical, that changes your storage, your query loads, all those kind of things. So there's clearly an order to the decisions you need to make. And at Onebridge, what we're trying to do is help you navigate that decision tree, that order, and help you understand the implications that if you go left or go right, all these things are critical in building your warehouse. One other thing that comes up when we talk about data warehousing with our customers is the different choices you can make from a platform perspective. Again, this is going to be driven by your paradigm selection overall, so we'll talk about virtualization and those kind of things, but if you actually are going to build a physical warehouse, deciding if you're going to pursue an architecture such as Data Vault 2.0 or not might dictate whether or not it would make sense to use an automation tool like Warescape to help accelerate the creation of that DDL. So those kind of fundamental decisions need to be made early, and they have cost implications both up front and the overall sustainability and support of the overall platform. So we really help our customers understand that up front before they start building anything.